Right, I'm going to do a bit of an information video. I've just had cell number 9. It dropped a bit low, so it was 2.7 volts and everything else was at 2.9 volts. So I've decided to do a little capacity test on cell number 9. So fingers crossed, I'm going to do a regen capacity test. So I'm going to fully charge it and then fully discharge it, and we'll see how well it actually does. So I've just charged it up to 271 amp hours. I'm going to run a discharge test now and give it one more charge just to get it full again. The internal resistance, the line resistance. Right, now that's full, I'm going to start my discharge test. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to take it down to 2.5 volts, and that'll give me the full capacity test. Let's see what it does. Do a little checkup video. So it's done 30 amp hours. And a few more to go. Let's see what it does. It's the line resistance, or the battery resistance even. 0.3. We'll get back later and then see how it's doing. Right, let's finish the test. It did go down to 2.5 volts. How good's that? Well, I'm not entirely happy with it. I've lost, I don't know anything actually. I think they were 270 to start with, and they're still 270. I was hoping they'd kind of bed in a little bit and I'd get a bit more, but no. So I have to send a little email off to the people I bought it off to mention that I'm 10 amp hours short. We'll see how that goes. But there you go, test complete. See you later.